the board. We're going to get started here in 3, 2, 1, go. We're off, we're moving, we're shaking. We have a successful block of a blue mobile goal in autonomous mode. But we've got another blue mobile goal successfully captured by 2442C. As we come to a close, it's going to be the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance getting the advantage with drivers taking control in 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty here, so we've got some strong defense being played right now by the Stripped Gears team out of Arizona. They are trying to grab a hold of those blue mobile goals and prevent the Blue Alliance from scoring on them themselves. But uh-oh, we've got 61-21, the Pioneers. They seem to have run into a little bit of robot issues. They're going to try and get that robot upright and working again. 9409, they're charging, they're coming all the way down from Alberta, Canada. They've got their cones, they've added them to their mobile goal. They're going to try and get that mobile goal up and in place. Just under a minute of play left as our teams continue to work and play the Robodogs out of Worcester. They're going to try and claim that blue stationary goal. They've gotten 2 cones. They're going for 3 cones. They're going to now go and grab some more cones from that feeder station with 30 seconds left in the match. We've got Stripped Gears trying to play some strong defense. They've got a hold of a cone. They're going to try and make sure nobody can use those cones to score against them. As the Robodogs, they place that goal in that 10-point zone. So now we've got 3 mobile goals successfully scored by the Blue Alliance with just 10 seconds left, where the Robodogs are going to try and score some on the red stationary goals, see what we can make happen here.